In this video, I will try to talk about max terms. This is the same truth table that I used for min terms. So these were the min terms. This one, this one, this one, this one, and they were products. So this is A bar, B bar, C bar, just this one, A bar, B bar, C bar. And so the intention was this one is A bar, B, C, A, B, C bar, and then finally A, B, C. So the intention was so that the terms are written, the variables are written in such a way so that these three develops a 1. So when they are ANDed, so this one has to be 1, A has to be 1. In order to make A 1, A bar has to be taken. In order to make B 1, B bar has to be taken, and C 1, C bar has to be taken. So we look at the outputs once and uh, write the variable in such a way so that and in AND form, so that the AND result is a 1. So that was the mean terms, and those when they are added, the sum of the product, so these are products as well, so sum of the product was the output expression. Now if we look at max terms, the product of sum, these are the outputs we should look for. And when this one, when we are writing the products of sum, so that means the uh, sums here, we have to express. So we are looking at 0, output 0, and we will see, so that when these zeros are OR, these variables are OR, the result is 0. That means each of them has to be 0. There cannot be any 1, because if there is only 1, the OR result will be 1. So all have to be 0. So basically the first one, if I look at this one, maybe I use a different color, light blue, this one. So this one will be A bar or B bar or C. Sorry, actually I have written it wrong. So basically, because I am looking to make it 1 not 0, sorry, 0 not 1, so this is already 0, A, B is already 0, and C is, to make 0, C has to be C bar. Similarly the second one, this is A here, or has to be, the second one is B is 1 already, so it has to be B bar to make it 0, and then C is already 0, so it will be C. Similarly, if we look at this one, the A has to be barred to make it 0, and B or C, these are 0 already, so it doesn't matter. And finally this one doesn't matter, means I'm trying to say that we don't have to change it. And for, sorry, I'm having a bit of a cough, so the last one, A is 1, so we will have to make A bar to make it 0, B is already 0, and C is again 1, so we have to, so these are the products, sums, and the product of all these sums is another way of writing the truth table in terms of, when we are writing in terms of max term. So each of them are max term, and this is the expression x in the form of product of sum, because these are sum, so product of sums we can say. So these are the sums here and the product there, so it is just the opposite of or whatever, is just another representation of the truth table, and from the same truth table. So this one and the sum of product, this product of sum expression and sum of product expression, the one I did in the previous video, or maybe just these ones, when these four are added, these are the same equivalent representation of the same truth table. So this is the output in terms of sum of product, while this one is the output in terms of product of sums.